What if I told you the next big Samsung update is not just another software patch, but a complete transformation in how you use your Galaxy device? One UI 8 is shaping up to be the most ambitious and polished version Samsung has ever released. But here's the catch, it's still not officially rolling out to everyone. Why? Today, we're diving deep into the secrets behind One UI 8, its hidden features, the reasons for the delay, and why this update might just change your smartphone experience forever. Before watching, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Insights so that you can get notified on daily tech updates. Samsung has built a reputation for pushing the boundaries of Android customization, and with One UI 8 the company seems determined to refine every aspect of its ecosystem. The beta builds, especially Beta 5 on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, are already looking nearly identical to what could be the final version. But here's where the suspense comes in. If it feels so polished, why hasn't Samsung pressed the release button yet? The answer lies in how Samsung approaches software. Unlike smaller manufacturers, Samsung has to ensure stability across dozens of devices, regions, and carriers. A tiny bug on one device could create chaos on a global scale. That's why even when things look ready, Samsung waits until the update is bulletproof. Now let's talk features. One UI 8 isn't just a cosmetic refresh, it brings forward-thinking tools designed to make your phone smarter, faster, and more intuitive. For starters, the redesigned iconography gives the interface a clean, modern feel. The Gallery app now comes with improved navigation, and Samsung Internet has been revamped with a new tab system, making it easier to multitask. These are small touches, but they collectively make the user experience more fluid. One of the most impressive additions is the instant audio eraser inside the camera and voice recorder apps. Imagine recording a video in a noisy street or taking voice notes in a cafe. One UI 8 can intelligently erase background noise in real time. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a feature that will drastically improve the way we capture content on our phones. And the best part, it works not only in recordings but also during live calls, ensuring crystal clear audio experiences. Another standout upgrade is in Samsung Notes and Briefing. With the Read Highlights Aloud feature, your phone can now narrate your day, appointments, reminders, or even Spotify updates. This is especially helpful when you're driving, exercising, or multitasking. Interestingly, some of these features haven't even made it to Samsung's foldable devices yet, which means the S25 Ultra is serving as the test bed for Samsung's future ecosystem. Now let's address Samsung DeX, one of the company's most underrated features. In One UI 8, DeX finally feels closer to a true desktop experience. Previously, maximizing apps into full screen required extra steps, but the update brings a simple Windows-style maximize button. This small tweak fixes one of the biggest user complaints and signals Samsung's intention to blur the line between smartphones and PCs even further. Of course, it's not all perfect. Even in these near-final builds, bugs remain. For instance, after disconnecting from DeX, some testers have reported lock screen glitches and random UI bugs. For you and me, that might just be a minor inconvenience, but imagine if Samsung released this version globally and millions of users faced the same issue. The backlash would be massive. This is exactly why Samsung is being extra cautious. The software looks ready, but a polished final version is better than a rushed one. Another reason for the delay could be the last-minute feature drops. Samsung has a history of holding back surprises until the official rollout. In One UI 8, features like expanded accessibility options, better call captions, and advanced AI enhancements are still being refined. This isn't laziness, it's strategy. Samsung wants the stable release to feel fresh and exciting, not outdated before it even arrives. From a performance perspective, users testing One UI 8 have reported smoother animations, faster app launches, and better overall stability compared to One UI 7. Considering Samsung's rocky launch of One UI 7, this new update feels like a redemption arc. In fact, One UI 8 could mark Samsung's true alignment with Google's Android 16 timeline, fixing the delays that previously frustrated users. Security is another big win. With the August security patch baked into the latest builds, One UI 8 tackles vulnerabilities both from Google and Samsung's side. This ensures Galaxy users are protected against exploits, a crucial aspect when so much of our digital life revolves around these devices. From improper access control fixes to improved SUS functions, Samsung is quietly making your phone safer behind the scenes. And then there's personalization. One UI 8 introduces new adaptive lock screen clocks, suggested wallpapers, and AI-powered customizations that make your device feel truly yours. Yes, some features are still buggy, like the adaptive clock occasionally misplacing itself, but that's expected during testing. By the time the stable release drops, expect these quirks to be ironed out. So, when can you expect it? Based on Samsung's history and the current progress of the beta, the stable release is almost certainly targeting early September. The company wants to align the rollout with its flagship launches and ensure that when the Galaxy S25 Ultra and foldables take the spotlight, the software is equally impressive. At the end of the day, the message is simple: good software takes time. Samsung is learning from past mistakes and prioritizing quality over speed. One UI 8 isn't just another update, it's the foundation for the next era of Galaxy devices. So, while waiting can feel frustrating, the end result will be worth it. If you're excited about this release, make sure you stay tuned here on Tech Insights, because as soon as One UI 8 officially lands, we'll dive into every detail with real-world testing. Until then, patience is key. Samsung is polishing this diamond, and we're closer than ever to seeing it shine.